Hold up. Before we get started, I wanted to be able to address any issues because I really feel like the millennials right now.
Okay.
Yes, we're making this about the millennials.
Okay.
Don't take it as serious. So I wanted to address initially whatever you wanted to talk about at first.
Yo, I have so many questions, so
Talk
many
to me.
thoughts running through my head, but let's get into it. I want to talk about the coronavirus. Oh, wow. Really? Is this what we're doing now? Hey, yo, let's get serious, man. Come on.
All right. Well, I
Like-
found that video on IG, and I just wanted to show you this is how I feel you guys are taking the coronavirus. So just a little
Yo,
humor.
this is very serious. I take this very seriously.
No, I got you. So what do you want to talk
quit
about?
playing,
Scribe?
quit
Talk to
playing.
me.
Man, I mean, where do I start? I have so
Anywhere.
many questions. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna just jump right in.
Jump right in.
Okay, so
Don't be scared.
coronavirus and black people.
Damn. So this is the virus itself. The coronavirus. So the coronavirus is called the coronavirus. It's called the coronavirus because viruses have what they call protein spikes. These protein spikes are all around the actual virus itself, and they shape in form of a crown. And in Latin, corona means crown. Okay? That's
I
why they
see.
call it the coronavirus, right?
Okay.
Right. So the virus itself, what it does, and viruses are slick. Bacteria can actually circulate in your blood, but viruses, they need the host cell in order to live. So what they do, they come and they get inside of the host cell itself, and then inside the viruses, they have what they call genetic material. It describes how to replicate, how to grow. That material then actually enters inside the actual healthy human host cell, gets inside, and actually begins to replicate. Once it completely replicates, it bursts the cell open. The virus then circulates in your blood and finds another host cell to actually infect. So that's why it takes a few days before you to see any symptoms from the, because it takes a little while for the virus to infect multiple cells inside your body. So that's why they say over a 2-day to 14-day period, you should see some symptoms because the virus probably has already infected your body, but you won't see any actual physical symptoms until the virus replicates enough to start causing some damage inside. Does that make sense?
How true is this whole thing?
What's your next question, brother? Talk to me.
Population control.
I don't believe.
Was it designed by someone?
I don't think you can. And when we talk about virus, and that's a really good lead into the next section about what a virus is. Viruses just don't give a fuck. Just to be completely honest, they don't. There's no way to design one genetically to actually target a specific race itself. If it does, there's no way to really control its deployment. So you couldn't control once it's released. Biological agents don't work the same thing as drugs do, right? They need your body to respond. So I would have to know a lot about either the black race genetically and then be able to target certain populations, but we're intermingled around the world. We've mixed races. So it'll be really difficult to design per se, and almost virtually impossible to design genetically and to control the release of a virus to target a current population. Now, even after approval, then you have to get it to a company that can manufacture and make it in large doses. So it takes a while to manufacture the drug, to package it, and to get it out to people to actually deploy the actual vaccine itself. So all that has to occur before you can bring any vaccine to market. Development, research, exploratory, toxicity, animal trials, human patient trials, gather all the data, send it to the FDA, review it, manufacture it in large doses, and deploy it to the people.